Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to show you how to take a little tiny tea light and a ping pong ball and turn it into something incredibly cute. A snowman nightlight. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project you will need a hot glue gun, thin strips of felt or fleece, one ping pong ball, scissors, googly eyes, orange pipe cleaner, sticker pearls, and a plastic hat, and an electric tea light. This is just a 1-inch strip that is about 12 inches long. So we're going to measure there, and we're just going to cut the end to give it that scarf appeal. And wrap it around. Figure we're going to tie it off. So about right there. It's about 8 inches. And cut this end. Take a little dab of glue on the back side and place the middle of the scarf right on the back there, and wrap it around to the front and tie it off like you would normally tie off, just with a single knot. So you get it right in the right place. And once it's in the right place, then you can put a little tiny bit of glue underneath. Slide it up and slide it back on there. There you go. Now for the head, what you want to do is take your ping pong ball, and wherever the writing is, you're going to use your scissors. Now be very careful here because you are opening up your scissors and you've got your hand against that blade. So why I have my washi tape is so I can hold my little ball in place there. And then I'm just going to pop a hole right in the top. So I just put the scissors right in there and give it a little twist. And that's going to give me that little hole right there. And then I just pop this right on top, like that. See? And that glows, and that's the little face. Now you just decorate his face. And this is nice and easy to do. We're just going to give him some eyes. And of course, remember, you can use whatever you want. One eye. You can use, if you don't have these little plastic hats, you can always make like little earmuffs, or by using pipe cleaner like this. Just take a little pipe cleaner up and over top. Add some little puff balls. Now for the nose, I'm just going to take a little piece of pipe cleaner. I'm going to bend it just a tiny bit so that I have a place to glue it right there. Just a little bit of glue. Right there in the middle. And this little hat. On a jaunty angle. And then for his mouth, I'm going to be using these great stickers, but you could always draw the mouth on with Sharpie pen. I'm just going to give him these little cute smile. Like that. And let's fix his nose. His nose needs a little bit of work here. Let's fold it over. There we go. And there you have it, your very own Frosty the Snowman nightlight. And let's see if we can turn it on here. And you can see he's going to be shining bright throughout the night. For more fun ideas, check us out at sophie-world.com.